Hello, what is going on, everybody? My name is Victor, and this is a YouTube series about solving LeetCode problems. If you're new to this channel, I post videos every week, a problem a week. So if you're interested in preparing for coding interviews, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, so today we're gonna solve this problem, which is called generate parentheses. And as usual, you may pause the video here and just to think about this problem, and we will continue. Okay, so we're given n pairs of parentheses, and we need to write a function to generate all combinations of well-formed parentheses. So for example, if we're given n equals 3, a solution set would be the following. So first of all, let's take a look at these strings. What does it mean, a valid parenthesis? I mean a valid string, valid foreign parenthesis. So it means that the number of open and closed parentheses is the same. And also it means that basically the number at any given point, the number of open parentheses should be always less than number of closed parentheses, right? Because for instance, if we take this one and add one open parenthesis here, it's not a valid string, right? Because for each open parenthesis should be a closing one to form a valid form parenthesis. Okay, so to solve this problem, and actually it's a tricky one, but to solve this problem we can use the backtracking technique. So let's try to write some code and I'll try to explain. First of all, let's create a function backtrack, and it takes a string and two numbers of open and closed parentheses, which we have seen so far. So imagine that we already get a string which has length equal to 2 times n. What does it mean? It means that we already get a string which we need to push to the ends. And let's create an answer array and push it the string. So otherwise we need to check two things. First of all, if number of open parentheses is less than n, so basically is less than a half of the length of the string, right? It means that we can continue. It means that we can add one more open parenthesis. So let's do this. Let's make a recursive call and increase the number of open parentheses, and the number of closed ones remain the same. Okay, so also there is another condition. If number of closed less than number of open parentheses, it means that we also can make another recursive call. But this time we need to check what if we add a close parenthesis. The number of open remains the same and the number of closed should be increased. Okay, and yeah, I think that's it. And we need to call this function, obviously, and in the first step it just takes an empty string and 0 open and closed parentheses, right? Because in empty string we have exactly 0. Okay, and we need to return the answer. Let's run this code. Alright, seems fine. In case of 3 we need to get exactly this one, and it's true. Yeah, and in case of 1, we should get exactly 1. Yes, and we get exactly 1 well-formed parenthesis. Okay. It's time to submit this code. Let's do this. Accepted. Okay. So, as usual, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer those. And keep rocking.